My name is Lerato Masiyane. I also go by Lee. I was born in Zimbabwe in Bulawayo. So I grew up there, spent a bit of time in Botswana, and then I moved to New Zealand in 2004. And that's where I spent most of my life. I grew up in Auckland. And then in 2014, I moved to Melbourne, Australia to study, and I've just stayed since. My parents are both Zimbabwean, but I know my great-grandfather was born in South Africa. So a lot of our cultures are pretty rooted in, Zim, but also South Africa and also Botswana. As I grew older, listening to the music, I got more connected with it. And my parents did remind me that when I was younger, I used to dance to Kwaito music. So yeah, I've grown up pretty much revolving around those three. And yeah, reconnecting back to all those three cultures has been quite good and very interesting. So as I was researching, I found that for my Zim culture, there is a traditional dance called Escherichia, which with that one I can sort of connect it back to my mom's side of the family. So Escherichia basically involves like clapping, singing, stomping the feet, and that's pretty similar to all the traditional styles that come from Botswana as well and South Africa. Coming back and learning a bit more about my South African side, I found out that Sotho people actually have their own traditional dance as well. So it's kind of similar, but it involves more of the shoulders. And then with the Botswana side, so the Botswana side, when I was younger, I used to do the traditional dance. So that's a bit more of like the cultural side that was brought to me, at a young age. I definitely feel more connected and more respectful towards the dances that I learned that are from Africa, even if they're like from the north side or anything like that. The traditional dances, yes, there's a lot of stomping, but they're so grounded in their movement. And even though it might not be as quick-paced as the footwork that I do now in African dances or in the dance hall style, all the dance styles that I do, that's where the similarities come together. I feel like dance is such a spiritual thing, so I feel like I'd lose that spiritual side if I didn't practice. And that's the importance of being grounded in the movement that I do. Yeah.